Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to update your phone number on Stripe in 2023. Now, this is fairly simple to do. If you want to update your phone, all you have to do is you have to go here to settings. So you'll have a cog icon right here. So go here, click on it. Here you will have a lot of different things, right? And basically what you will have to do is you'll have to go to your public details. Or if there is no phone number in public details, go to the account details. Now, since my details are really sensitive and I don't want to show it on the video, here you can go and you can pretty much go click on public details and you will be able, or account details, right? And you will be able to change your phone number. Now, if for some odd reason you cannot change your phone number, what I would suggest is going on Stripe Twitter. And here you can actually contact Stripe by messaging them with your own problem. Now, this is a very good way to contact Stripe because they are really fast and they work fast through this messaging platform on Twitter, basically. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how to update phone number on Stripe. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.